Morning guys, I'm back. Yeah, new flat, new double bed, winner. And I thought I'm gonna start getting back into my weekly vlogging, but today's just a day vlog because I'm doing something a little bit exciting. I only booked it yesterday, but we are going today to the dog cafe in Newcastle. It's called the Dog and Scone. And I'm going to have a drink and something to eat. And then, yeah, I'm going to hug a pug. I'm going to hug a pug. Or a Pomeranian or a Bichon Frise. Just really cute dogs. We're going to go have an adventure. I've had a very busy morning. I woke up late. And I've been filming for Northumbria Uni, like helping the marketing team make a video to students who've applied and making sure they pick Northumbria as their firm choice. So that's been interesting. But yeah, let's go to the dog cafe, guys. Everybody, isn't he cute? Nothing, don't know. I didn't want a French dog with a dog. You're cute. Do I smell? Am I really, really smelly? Am I? Are you going to enjoy my meatballs? He's so adorable. So I've ordered the Swedish meatballs and I've got a strawberry smoothie and it looks really, really nice. This is Sugar, everybody, and she's the youngest dog. Oh, and there's Coffee, the corgi. They've smelled the meatballs and they've come a-running. You're not allowed my meatballs, Coffee. Sorry. But Sugar's adorable. She's the youngest dog and she is so cute. I absolutely love this little puppy. Oh, and we got the terrier here. His name is Yuki. Yuki! Oh, hello, Sugar! Surrounded by dogs. There's Yuki and Sugar laughing back with me, guys. Coffee's running around the place like a mad-ass thing. Hello! Hello! So these are all the dogs who are in the cafe. So you've got Momo and Laughing, Coffee and Yuki, Lucky and Sugar. And it tells you a bit about each dog, which is really cool. Yuki! Coffee. Coffee's just chilling. Sugar! Ready? Sugar! Go get it! Sugar's like, nah, I'm not getting no bowl. Lucky! Lucky seeing food. Belly rub time. Like a good belly rub. This cafe is so amazing, guys. I've just had a chocolate muffin. Lucky's on my lap. And it's just lovely. It's a really lovely atmosphere here. I'm so glad I've come to this today. I am definitely going to be back again. Lucky! Lucky! Hi, Lucky! He just put his head through the door and said bye. This is it guys, the Dog and Scone cafe. And next to it is Mog on the Tyne where you can go and pet kitty cats.